proving the fact that social media is an illusion. It's a Sunday evening, and both Samat and Amlan are in a park, not playing but staring at their phones.
Oh, I just got 1K likes on my latest post.
Oh, Summer, you're spending too much time on social media. It's affecting your studies and our friendship.
What's the harm? It's just for fun. What's the harm? It's just for fun.
Just as Samat was back to his habit of scrolling endlessly, his teacher, who just so happened to be in the park, couldn't help but notice.
Hello, students.
Hello, teacher.
I couldn't actually help but notice that you both are glued to your cell phones. What's going on?
Oh, teacher, Samat is glued to his cell phone. He uses social media all day. He just doesn't listen.
Look, students, social media can be a powerful tool, but it can also be a horrible curse. Online harassment, cyberbullying, and addiction are just a few of these risks.
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't think about that.
As Samat was trying to defend his actions, a mysterious figure seems to come out of nowhere.
Hey, Samat, you feel sharing cringe videos and Tony Kappa's song will make you feel cool in front of your friends. What if they turn on you? Who are you? I am the dark side of social media, as dangerous as the mix of Dhinchak Puja and BTS songs. And you are a step away, being my next victim.
That's enough. We can't let you bully our students.
Fine, but how can we escape from the truth that social media is a double-edged sword, and I won't let your Karan Arjun escape from me.
Yes, but with awareness and responsibility, we can use social media for good.
I'll be more careful. I'll be more careful, ma'am. Thanks for warning me.
Remember, students, social media is just a tool. It's up to us to use it wisely. Let's also make it a point to remember that our world isn't just based on likes, shares, or followers. Real connections and true achievements happen offline when we spend time with our family, help a friend, or learn something new.
Samat learns his lesson as he stands more determined than ever, realizing his mistake.
Praise the Lord, it's a great thing to praise the Lord. It's a great thing to praise the Lord. Walking in the light of the Lord. Walk in the light. Walk in the light. Walk in the light. Walking in the light of the Lord. It's a great thing to serve the Lord. It's a great